Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Sycamore Campus online. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now type in app.sycamorecampus.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of Sycamore Campus. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. First of all, what you have to do is enter your campus ID. Click on the field of campus ID. Now enter the campus ID over here. Likewise, enter your username. Simply click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now click on the field of password. Now simply enter your Sycamore Campus account password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your Sycamore Campus account. So that is how you log in Sycamore Campus online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.